Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel, Solly Vagant on Petrol. And finally, we will be reviewing today the all new KTM 390 Adventure. The moment I talk about KTM, one thing that comes to my mind is the Dakar Rally. And when I talk about Dakar, a thing crosses my mind, a name crosses my mind, and that's the reason I thought of giving a tribute to the legend. You guessed it right, Mr. Paolo Gonsalves, who laid down his life on his 13th Dakar, and this video is a tribute to him. So, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the all new KTM 390 Adventure. The Adventure is blessed with a 373cc of displacement, which churns out a power of 43.5 PS, and again that generates a torque of 37 Newton meters at 7000 RPM. Crash guard does a beautiful job of protecting the engine from all the scraping that might happen during off-roading. So we have USD WPS suspension on the front and definitely WPS monoshock suspension at the rear with beautiful Metzeler tires. Let's take a look at the instrument console, which is beautiful. These are the toggle switches, which you can definitely request you guys to please tilt your phones to have a landscape view of this beautiful instrument console. I'll just let you know how exactly this functions. Alright, let's go into a little more detail. So turning on this instrument console will give you a ready to race emblem, and over here you will be having a much detail about your bike. First of all, you will be having the side stand indicator, the trip meter, the trip to, the date, time and the battery status. You can see the ABS sign and the traction control over here, the traction control over here, so that your bike doesn't skid, that the tachometer. Alright, like I said, the side stand indicator, GPS mount, you can remove this for GPS mount, And definitely, if you're going for touring, one thing is definitely problematic, that is your device battery status, your phone's battery status. So this is meant, this thing over here. Let me just open it. All right. So this is a 12-volt socket. So you can attach your device over here. You can connect your device over here. You know what? I'm just loving the way KTM's taking care of everything. All in all, it looks definitely beautiful. Okay, let's look at the foot pegs. These beautiful foot pegs really look mean, and they have been given a tooth treatment along with the rear foot peg, and mandatory sari guard because it's India. Chain sprocket is quite huge. Okay, the gear lever, nice. The polio stand, I call it the polio stand because it looks like one. Okay, first thing that is appreciating is the ground clearance. It's 200 millimeters of ground clearance, definitely better than the 390. This metal plate over here will be protecting not only from the scraping stones but the exhaust pipe over here and the engine. On the right hand side, let's see the foot pegs. Again, the brake lever over here. Maharashtrian people can give this to your mummy so that they khobra kisu shaktat. Only Maharashtrians will get this. Alright, one of the strongest points of KTM is the kind of treatment that they give to the bike, the finishing, the touch, everything's shouts, it's premium. Okay, once we look at the seat is definitely comfortable, wide and longer this time. Comfortable as in not too soft, not too hard. It is definitely pillion friendly. The grab rails definitely do a wonderful job to assist the luggage and the pillion's bum. Okay, let's have a seat on this. All right, it really demands confidence from the rider. Okay, it's kind of heighted. I'm an average Indian with average ambitions and average passion in my life. So until and unless you're 5'11" or 6, this bike is not for you. Okay, the clutch lever is adjustable and really on the comfortable side. The brake lever again adjustable, and that's the kill switch. I guess the windshield will do a fantastic job of protecting the rider. However, it is adjustable with Allen keys only. Okay, let's take a look at the headlamps. Beautiful, aggressive. Okay, you have to turn on the bike to see the headlamps projector. However, what I'm interested is in the tail lamps. First of all, let me show you the LED indicators. Okay, these are the tail lamps I've been waiting for, and let me tell you, I do not remember the last time I've seen such beautiful tail lamps on any bike. Mean, really mean. Okay, this is my friend Adventure. No, not Adventure 390. This is the Duke 390, and let's compare it with the Adventure 390. First of all, in every way, it looks smaller to the Adventure. For definitely the glossy paint, the suspension travel is kind of short than the Adventure. The coolant is here. In the Adventure, the coolant is in the mid section. Similar treatment with the headlamps, and let me tell you, 390 headlamps is something I really loved. Okay, mid-zilla tires with alloy wheels. Everything Adventure. Okay, now I'll be keeping quiet because you need to hear the exhaust note. Alright, it does not impress me. Okay, Talking about the KTM's, heat is a prominent issue, and that is the reason these small fans have been set up on the radiator on the both sides so that the heat doesn't trouble the riders. Arey ghum ja. Okay. All right, guys. So that was the video. That was the review. Kindly hit the like button if you have loved it. Kindly share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. See you in the next review.